Welcome to Applaud Tutorials. In this tutorial, we install the Searchable navigation template and explore its contents. To install Searchable navigation, head to the Templates section from Admin Home. Then use the search function. Select the template. The window provides a brief description, features, usage, and contents. Using this template, you can minimize time spent scrolling through menus and improve the user experience with one-touch navigation. When ready, select Install. Once the template has been installed, head to the Models section from Admin Home. Locate and select the navigation model. This model has been pre-configured with properties to store data on places to navigate to. Now head to the Pages section to find more new content. Locate and select the Navigation Items page. Select About to read about navigation items. This will open the About navigation page in a modal window. Select Add to add a new navigation item. This opens the navigation page in a modal window. When you select an item from the list block, you can make any changes necessary. Assign categories to your items and use them on different pages. In this example, our items are categorized with a homepage nav label. This means they will appear on the home page. Now head to the Search section to find more new content. The template adds a navigation search object. Select it to open the configuration and make any changes you need. In search results, you will now see a navigation filter. Congratulations! You have successfully completed this tutorial. Learn more at Applaud Academy or check out our knowledge base at support.applaudsolutions.com.